Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Tutorial Tuesday. In this episode we're going to be discussing foil. Do you dig foil? I know I dig foil, and I'll show you if you don't dig foil what you're missing out on, because I find a lot of gold at foil and recently found platinum. That sounded like foil, alright? And I've found some platinum that's rang up quite a bit higher, like 17, 18 before, so that just threw me off when it rang up a 5, okay? So guys, we'll also be selecting the winner of last week's Would You Dig It contest giveaway for a $25 gift card. And at the end of this video, I have another Would You Dig It contest for a $25 Amazon gift card that we will select in next week's Tutorial Tuesday. So guys, let's get started. Okay guys, I have one here for you. Actually, I got 3 of them right here. You know what, I'm going to put my earphones on you. So you guys are going to wear this, alright? Okay guys, would you guys dig any of those targets? If you said no, tell me why. Comment below why. Because you don't dig foil? Okay. You don't dig foil, let me show you what you're missing. Okay. I just laid it down in the sand. I'm hoping you guys can even see it. But right there on that sand is a gold chain laid out. Are you digging that foil now? Because if you're not digging foil, you're not digging gold. Okay guys, I got another thing. I don't know if you can see that, alright? But down there is a silver bracelet that my dog Haley found. I should show you guys that video. I did make a little video when she found it, but she didn't. She was using the restroom right near it. She kind of pointed her nose at it and I picked it up. Anyways, watch this one. Now let me put the earphones on you. Let's go 90 degrees on this. So guys, let's go on to the next. Put the earphones back on, and down there you see that gold ring? Solid 7. So guys, this is a 14 karat gold ring. Alright, ringing up a 7. Alright, on to the next. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see that gold ring. I'll put the earphones back on you. Alright. So guys, I know you just saw a gold ring up a 7 just like that, right? But check this one out. It's also a 14 karat gold ring, but it's broken. It is completely separated right there. Okay, so if that was completely separated, it wasn't touching, you'd barely hear it. Alright, it may ring up a 1. Okay, on to the next. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see that one either, but right down there is a gold ring. Alright, you ready? Let me put my earphones back on you. barely registering. And that is, guys, that's actually a solid gold ring. I think it's either 14 to 10K. Alright, it just happens to be broken. Alright, and if I didn't dig foil signals, I wouldn't be finding those type of targets. And that's why I'm making this Tutorial Tuesday today. Alright, I got another one right down here for you guys. Can you see that? That's also gold. So guys, I remember finding this and it barely made a blip. It sounded just like foil. But this is a 14 karat gold #1 mom pendant, right? I would have not found this piece of gold if I didn't dig the foil sounds. Yeah. So this is the area right. I think I got it. Well, maybe another target right next to it. It's a ring. Oh my gosh, it's a ring. Okay. Oops, sorry guys. Huh. Nice and shiny. What's that ringing up actually out of the hole? Actually, I think I'm over a target. All right, let's get this. A 5. How you doing? So guys, are you gonna start digging foil? I bet you will. Here's the thing about foil and why I bring it up. If you look at my wrap-ups and you look at the big pile of garbage in the back of my wrap-ups, please take note of how much foil I dig. I dig a lot. It can get frustrating. I've heard it my entire life, foiled by foil, and you know, the frustrations, all right? And I know that there's a ton of detectors out there that just ignore the foil, even though the beach is full of it, right? And it is very annoying that it's so full of foil. And I want to take a challenge to all of you guys. I would like to know if you can dig 100 pieces of foil without finding something good. So try as an experiment, if you would please, and then comment on any one of my videos that you tried the foil method, you dug 100 pieces of foil, and this is what you found that was good, okay? Because I will tell you, I probably dig about 100 pieces of foil every time I'm out, okay? And I usually find something half decent. That sounds pretty good like foil, right? But I'm curious to see what a ratio would actually be. I know my bottle cap ratio is I've never dug 100 bottle caps without finding a ring, right? I think right now I'm probably at, you know, maybe 30 bottle caps before I find a ring. So that's a game that I play, and my foiled by foil game that is a mental game that I play in my head is I'm awfully surprised when it's not foil. And it's just like the platinum ring that I dug the other day at Corona Del Mar, is I was completely shocked to see a ring there. I was actually thinking it's just another juice top, and then when I pulled it out, boom. The nice thing is my camera was on only because that particular area produced an Apple Watch from a guy who is beachcombing, right? So, and that was the gentleman you saw walk by and I said hi to in this video. Beachcombers are all over the beaches. You know, I'm a beachcomber too, guys. I find a lot of stuff by sight, right? I find gold chains by sight. I found many great things by sight, and you got to keep your eyes open too, right? So that's one of our best detectorists, is our eyes, right? So guys, let's select the winner of last week's Would You Dig It? Alright guys, I have a Would You Dig It right here. Let me shut the earphones off. Let me take my earphones off. Alright, right here. I'm in beach 1. And I'm at the beach. I don't know if you can see that, but it's beach 1. Would you dig it? And if you would dig it, comment below on what you think it is, and you'll have a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card that we'll select in next Tutorial Tuesday. Let's go. 90 degrees. All right, let's dig this one up. Oh, I'm feeling something there. I'm out. All right. It's a monster truck. Okay. Okay guys, it's time to select the winner of last week's Would You Dig It? I'm going to go to my TubeBuddy app. I'm going to select Pick a Winner. Comment must contain the word. I'm going to put toy. NV Metal Detecting. Toy car is a great answer. Send me an email and I will send you out your $25 Amazon gift card. And guys, NV Metal Detecting is a guy I've metal detected with before. His name is James out of Las Vegas, and he has an excellent channel of his own, guys. You might want to check that out. Congratulations, James of NV Metal Detecting channel. It's about time you won one of my contest giveaways. And send me an email and I will send you out your $25 Amazon gift card. And guys, don't get discouraged. I have another Would You Dig It contest giveaway happening right now for a $25 Amazon gift card that we will select in next week's Tutorial Tuesday. So check this one out. Okay guys, I have one for you right here. A little patch that's discolored. I have a little target that I hid in there. I am in beach 1. Okay. All metal mode. Would you dig it? I'll go 90 degrees. Would you dig it? If you would dig it, comment below and you'll have an opportunity to win a $25 Amazon gift card that we'll select in next week's Tutorial Tuesday. Would you dig it? I dug it. Would you dig it? And if you would dig it, comment below on what you think it is, and you'll have a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card that we will select in next week's Tutorial Tuesday. So guys, if you like my videos, please click like. If you'd like to see more, consider subscribing. Ring in this bell and receive all the notifications every time I release a new video. And please take a look at either one of these videos.